Let me fix. Give. So. Now riddle me this and riddle me that. Look how me good. The reality, me, I got to teach all of that. Ladies and gentlemen, I will leave you to that. Yeah? Yeah. No. Nobody not going to be that. Right? So, if you are a teacher of any of these subjects, right? Now, I don't mean to, say, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? But, will the real teacher of these subjects please stand up? Right? Because, I'm not going to be teaching all of that. That's why it's called, you notice? It's called We Still a Learn. Not me alone still a teach. No. Nothing like that. Oh, sorry. Yeah, right. So anyway, if you are a teacher of any of that, then of course, I hope you can see that. You can see that? Yeah. Right? I'm sure you can see that. See? Anyway, where was I? What if your subject isn't on the board? Press that, and we'll put it on the board. Whatever you teach, it doesn't have to be any of these. I promise you, it doesn't have to be any of these. Could be this. Could be that too. Yeah, could be that. Again, riddle me this, riddle me that. You really think me? I gotta teach all of that. Can I do the disappearing act once again? Mind you, can I try it? You see, my tablet is here, so I don't want to drop it. Understand? Yeah. So once again, if you're not seeing your subject up there, fear not. All you have to do is reach out to us that we still learn, and we can fix all that. Yeah? And who knows, if you want to make a video just like this, why not? Why not? Yeah? That's for helping us to stay consistent, and as I always tell you, press the button in blue and honor your commitment.